All right, we're looking at IXL T8, volume of cubes, prisms, and pyramids. You are going to need that formula sheet. Of course, I just lost it. If you don't remember where it is, it's in your course. And it's in this week. Okay, here's the formula sheet. You're going to need that. All right, what is the volume? Okay, this is easy. Volume of a cube is side cubed, or side times side times side. So 2 cubed is 8. Okay, so we have something different. What is the volume of the triangular prism? So I'm going to go to that formula sheet, and I'm looking at the middle column, bottom picture, and we're looking at volume. Okay, it says volume equals 1/3 the area of the base times the height. 1/3 the area of the base times the height. 1/3, I'm going to use a capital A for area of the base times the height. So 1/3 times the area of the base is a triangle. Okay, so the area of a triangle is first column, fourth picture down, 1/2 base times height. Okay, so 1/2. The base of this triangle is 6. The height of this triangle is 9. And then it wants the height, not the height of the triangle, the height of the pyramid. So the height of the pyramid is shown right here with this line. Okay, and that height is 8. So you're going to use your calculator and just multiply it all out. 1/3 times 1/2 times 6 times 9 times 8. And I got 72. Hopefully that's right. I'm not double checking. What is the volume of the triangular prism? So we're going to be using that same formula we just did. 1/3 times the area of the base. The base is a triangle, which is 9 and 6. So the area of a triangle is 1/2 times 9 times 6. And then we need the height of the prism. The height of the prism is 5. So again, I can multiply that straight out. 1/3 times 1/2 times 9 times 6 times 5. I got 45. The volume of a rectangular prism. So volume is length times width times height. So 2 times 4 times 4. The volume of the triangular prism. Formula is 1/3 times the area of the triangle. The area of the triangle is 1/2 base times height. And then you're going to multiply that by the height of the prism, of the triangle, of the triangular portion. Okay? So 1/3 times 1/2 times 8 times 10 times 6 is 80. We have a rectangular pyramid now. So it's still the same formula. 1/3 times the area of the base times the height of the prism. The area of a rectangular prism, of a rectangle, would be what? Length times width. So 6 times 6. And the height of the prism is 5. So 6 times 6 times 5 times 1/3 is 60. Remember, when you're doing multiplication, it doesn't matter the order. Volume of a cube. This is going to be the side cubed, or 4 times 4 times 4. 64. The volume of the triangular pyramid. 1/3 times the area of the base. 8 times 7 times a half, because it's a triangle, times the height of the pyramid. The height of the pyramid is 9. It's 84. What is the volume of this cube? It's 4 cubed. Remember what 4 times 4 times 4 was? We already did this one. 64. What is the volume? Okay, so you have to think about what type of pyramid or shape this is. Okay, it's not a pyramid, it's a prism. Okay, it's a prism with a triangular base. So you're going to find the area of the base. Let's go back and look at that formula sheet. Okay, this formula is not on there. All right, so this formula is volume equals the area of the base times the height. Okay, so volume equals the area of this base is a triangle because there's 2 of them. There's one back here as well. So this is called a triangular prism. Okay, the base of this prism is 14 and the height is 17. So the area of a triangle is 1/2 times 14 times 17. And then the height of the shape would be the distance between the bases times 16. So I could do 14 times 17 times 16, and then I can divide it by 2. I'm using 1,904. Volume of this cube would be 3 to the 3rd power, or 3 times 3 times 3. The volume is length times width times height. So 19 times 7 times 17. What is the volume? This is a triangular prism, not a pyramid. Okay, so this is the area of the base. So the area of the base is a triangle, 1/2 times 16 times 8 times the height of the shape, which is 11. 16 times 8 times 11 divided by 2. This is a pyramid. Okay, so this is a pyramid because everything meets at the top here at an apex. Okay, that point is called its apex. So now we're back to that other formula. Do you remember what that formula is? It's 1/3 times the area of the base times the height of the shape. So 1/3 times the area of the base. The base is a triangle. It says it's a triangular pyramid. It's 20 by 8. That's the height and the base of this triangle. So 1/2, 18 times 20 times the height of 15. When I multiply it out, I get 900. Okay, I hope this helps. Good luck, and ask any questions if you have them.